In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workspace on Trello. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized hub where your boards, teammates, and projects can live under one roof. A workspace in Trello is the container that holds multiple boards, lets you manage members in one plate, and keeps permissions and settings consistent across your projects. Start by heading to Trello in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may show your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account menu. This is where Trello puts account-wide actions, and it's the quickest way to find creation tools without digging through different screens. In the menu, choose Create Workspace. Depending on your version, the wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that starts a new workspace. This tells Trello you're setting up a new home for your boards and collaborators. Next, give your workspace a name. Aim for something short, clear, and memorable, so everyone knows exactly what it's for at a glance. Many teams use a department or project name, like marketing team or Q3 launch, and some add a short descriptor if you manage multiple groups. Avoid overly long names or anything that could be confused with a board or project code. You can always adjust the name later if your needs evolve. You'll then choose a workspace type. This is a helpful categorization Trello uses to tailor suggestions and templates. Pick the type that most closely matches your work, such as business, education, or personal. It doesn't lock you into features or pricing, and you can change it later. So think of it as a guide for recommended workflows and examples. When everything looks right, click. Continue. Trello will create the workspace and bring you to a setup view. From here, you can see that the workspace acts as your central hub. It helps keep boards grouped together, makes inviting teammates easier, and lets you manage permissions consistently. If you collaborate with multiple groups, consider a separate workspace per department or client to keep access clean and focused. Consistent naming conventions, like using the same prefix for related boards, can also make navigation faster for everyone. That's it. Your new Trello workspace is ready. You've clicked the profile icon, chosen Create Workspace, named it clearly, selected a type, and confirmed. With this foundation in place, you're set up for smoother collaboration, better visibility, and organized growth as your projects expand.